enjoying this right now with a little remix. Here we go. One mistake and someone is going home with only one leg. As you can see, she's enjoying this right now. Looks good, looks good. She looks like she used to play Chinese skip back in those days. Give it up for her, ladies and gentlemen. Basi anapusha tu. Just to let you know, we need a time tomorrow. Give it up for the man, ladies and gentlemen. One more.